Thoughts on living in the rain. Rain, no problem. When there is rain in your life, Jesus helps you maintain. Remember, the rain will stop and the sun will shine again. Rain falling to earth revitalizes things and causes them to grow. Rain in life makes strength and faith stronger and easier to flow. Our Lord will keep you dry. Jesus never wants you to cry. During the rain in life, Jesus' protection is a sufficient umbrella. Protection to keep you calm, no matter the intensity of the weather. Protection to keep you standing tall and strong on solid ground. You see, the arrival of sunshine will wipe away that anxious frown. Our Lord will keep you dry. Jesus wants you to always try. When it rains in life, look to Jesus for calm in the storm. When you follow Jesus, worry is never the norm. With Jesus, you can always stand firm. The rain to sunshine, Jesus will transform. Through the rain, temporary pain falls. Sometimes in life, trouble falls like stormy precipitation. You must continue to move forward without hesitation. Look past the complication. Ignore conventional information. Waters may rise, no fear of sinking. You have reliable flotation. When trouble falls like rain, Jesus relieves anxiety and pain. Follow Jesus' lead. He sought help from his Father through prayer. Like an umbrella in rain keeping you dry, Jesus' arms relieves pressure. Walking with Jesus during the rainy storm makes life's outlook fresher. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Jesus, always a consistent, powerful helper. When trouble falls like rain, Jesus relieves anxiety and pain. But a time is coming when you will be scattered each to his own home. You will leave me all alone. Yet I am not alone, for my Father is with me. Although during the storm you may have to cry, Jesus is there to wipe away tears. Jesus will turn groans of pain and fears to praise and worship with loud cheers. Turning sounds of doubt and doom into sounds of joy for your ears. Grasp Jesus' hand and follow his path. Continue to move forward without any fears. When trouble falls like rain, Jesus relieves anxiety and pain. Jesus helped a man walk on water. He lost sight of Jesus, only then did he falter. A day of stormy weather to bright sunshine Jesus will alter. Jesus will do the same for you. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. I have told you these things, so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world.